today I am doing a self-care thing. I'm gonna go get my nails redone, and I'm also going to go get my eyebrows re-microbladed. I did this about 2 years ago. It looks fine right now, but I don't know if you can tell, but it needs to be refilled. And I'm not supposed to wear any makeup. I'm not supposed to wear just no makeup. So fresh skin. Yep. She said to bring a sweater because it's super cold in there. So I'm super excited to get it redone, and it saves a lot of time for me in the morning when I do my makeup, or whenever I do my makeup. It saves a lot of time because I don't have to redraw my eyebrow. Yeah, you can't really see it, but yes, that is what we're gonna be doing. Let's go. This is outfit of the day. You can't really see it, but skinny jeans, white skinny jeans with a top. And then I'm gonna go put on a sweater because yeah, it gets cold in her office. All right, family, I'm ready. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning. You ready to go? Ready to go to school?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let's go. Let's go get eyebrows done. I'm super excited, y'all. I did this 2 years ago, and I haven't had to do anything till now. I don't really have to, but I like to keep it fresh, so here we go. All right, family, so I did end up dropping Nadia off to school, and by the way, Nadia started preschool, and when I say I was emotional, I was very emotional, but I'm super proud of her. She is a big girl now. She goes to preschool a few times a week. All right, family, so we are here at April's shop, and her shop is called Sway, just like that. Look at the setup, though. So cute. All right, family, we are here. This is where I'm gonna be, or yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna be. And it's so nice and clean in here. It smells so good. I've been here before, but it looks even better. Maybe I don't remember the first time because I was so nervous. But yes, it's been a few years and I'm back, and I'm nervous, but I'm happy at the same time. All right, we're gonna get started with everything. All right, family, so this is the numbie on my face. This is supposed to numb my eyebrows so I don't feel anything, or even if I do, it'll be a tiny little bit. But I'm a baby, so I'm afraid of everything. So I felt every little bit of it. All right, family, so we are just doing the procedure. Again, I've done this before, so this is nothing new to me. The first time I did it, I was super nervous because I had never ever done any kind of beauty procedure or cosmetic work. I still haven't done any cosmetic work, but this is my first beauty procedure as far as like my body goes, and this is considered permanent makeup. And just like with anything, you have to maintain this. So you have to come back either yearly or every 2 years or every 3 years, depending on how well your body holds the procedure. Everyone is different. It took me 3 years to come back, and mine still looked pretty good, but I just wanted to wait and come back so April can do it for me. But yes, April and I are just chatting and laughing and just talking about random things. It makes the time fly, and it also makes it comfortable and welcoming. All right, so we are done. This is my final reveal, and oh my goodness, I love it. All right, let's go home. So this packet tells me everything I need to know about my eyebrows. Well, not this packet. The paper right here. This is the equipment that I'm gonna need for my lashes or my eyebrows. I'm so hungry, I need to go eat. But anyway, it tells me, the packet tells you everything you're supposed to expect, everything you need. If this happens, do this. If that happens, do that. My eyebrows are not gonna look like this when it's all said and done. It's gonna take, I'm not gonna know what it's actually gonna look like until 6 weeks from now. So it's gonna go through a lot of transitions and stages. So yes, but I've done this before, so I already know what to expect. I love this, y'all. This saves time, it saves money, it saves a lot. I can get up in the morning like now with no makeup on and I still kind of look put together. So just like with any cosmetic procedure, which this is not really a cosmetic procedure, it's more like a tattoo. Any procedure that takes your body or your face from its regular state to another state, you have to maintain. So like a BBL, Botox, plastic surgery, microblading, you have to maintain it because after a while it looks different. In this case with your microblade, it's gonna fade a little bit, so you have to go back and maintain it. So this is my touch-up. Some people go after a year, some people go after 2 years. I went after 3 years because I have had a whole lot of, life transition happen and I just didn't have the time to go back. I would have liked to go back earlier, but it's fine. And according to April, who's the owner, she said that I actually kept the color really nicely. I don't know if you saw how my eyebrows looked this morning. They look pretty good. So that is why I didn't feel the need to go back right away. But yes, my face is kind of swollen and hurting right now. This is normal because again, it is a tattoo. It doesn't hurt. It feels like a sting more than pain, but I'm a baby, so I felt pain, but no. April is amazing at this, and this is another reason I waited this long, because I wanted to do it with her. I didn't want to go to another tech who didn't really know my face. When I'm doing my makeup, I don't have to spend hours and hours and hours trying to fix my eyebrows because it's already fixed. So this saves a lot of time. It saves a lot of headache, and you just wake up pretty. So the next thing I'm gonna work on is individual lashes. I've never done that, never ever. I always do the strips. I'm gonna try that next. And yeah, I'm just in my soft girl era. I'm taking care of myself, and it feels so good to do something nice for yourself. Bills are always gonna be there, everything's always gonna be there, but you gotta put yourself first. And it took me this long to see that and know that. So I'm putting myself first, doing things, investing in myself, and doing things that makes me happy, right? So if you can afford it, I highly recommend it. And if you're in this area, I highly recommend April. I did end up doing my nails. Oh, I forgot to show you all. Let me show you this. I did end up doing my nails. I got a soft pink. There you go. There you go. I got a soft pink. It's so pretty. I don't like my nails super long. This is even longer than what I normally like, but I like this. So yeah, we're gonna go with this. As soon as it grows out, I'm gonna go and have them cut it down. But this is a pretty good length. Good morning, family. Today is day 2 of my microblade. I'm still not allowed to put any makeup on my face. And I'm also not allowed to wet my eyebrows. So when I take a shower or a bath, I have to use a washcloth to wash my face and avoid my eyebrows. I also have to put ointments on my eyes. Some treatment ointments that she gave me at the shop, I have to put that on top of my eyebrows until it's all in the instruction. But anyway, I just wanted to let you all know that I'm still very satisfied with my result. This is not how it's gonna, I was getting a phone call. This is not how it's gonna look at the end. This is going to lighten up. The size is gonna get a little bit smaller, and it's just gonna look a little more natural than it looks right now. Right now it's very pronounced. Right now it's very pronounced, and the fact that I have the oil on it doesn't help either. But I still think it looks good, y'all. If you ask me, I still think it looks good. All right, family, here's a little sneak peek of some things that I'm working on. I'm gonna show you that in the next few videos. I'm gonna leave all of April's information down below. If you do go to her, tell her Mercy sent you. She'll be really excited. She's like the sweetest person ever. She is like, we have really great conversations whenever I go over there. She's like super sweet and super knowledgeable about what she's doing, because she's not new to it. She's done it for years and years and years. She even teaches, y'all. So if you're interested in that as well, ask her about that. She teaches people how to become a permanent makeup artist. So she's an expert at this, and that is why, again, I chose her, and I waited all of this while to go back and do it with her. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you for coming with me to get my beauty you know, soft girl glam microblading self-care day going. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.